I'm now at the center of the, Monteverde Natural Reservation Center. So huge trees, I think, maybe it looks like more than several hundred years, or maybe more than that. And then I'm now following the path to the entrance direction. And then, as you can see, so many ola. And, oh my gosh. Monteverde, Spanish actually means the mountain, green mountain. Oh, the other guy is coming. Keep coming. I know, it's okay, no problem. Many guys from Germany. It's okay. Oh my gosh. And then
It's not pure.
Yeah, it's not never pure, yeah.
No, but they for the tourists they make it really shitty.
Yeah.
But in
what is the?
Bolivia,
Oh my gosh. Okay, this concludes my briefing from Costa Rica. God bless you. Bye.